friends, today we're going to draw two pandas in love. Hey, let's start with the girl panda. Let's draw an ear and a hair bow. Ah, lovely. Doing the outline of the face. A nose. Two big eye patches. With the eyes in between. So lots of oval shapes there. Don't forget the pupils. The other ear now. And a happy open mouth. Let's draw her bottom and her foot. Her leg outline. Oh, this panda is so cute, don't you think? Her arm and hand. Her shoulder. And her other hand is holding on to something. Ooh, there's another hand. This looks like a heart. And another foot. This is the boy panda. We're drawing the paws now. Let's do his leg. And his bottom. His arm and hand over the heart. Little bit of spiky hair there. His head. Let's do a nose. The eyes. Kind of mirroring the girl panda's features. And a mouth. They're both very happy because they're in love. The ears. His neck and shoulder. Finishing the heart. Some rosy cheeks. Finishing touches. Inside of the ears. And finally, some cute little tails. There. Let's shade in the outer border. Just make it more black, more thick. And the eye patches and nose and mouths. And the arms and hands. And the legs and the paws. And the outer ears and tail. So that's all black. There, let's use some pink for her hair bow. We got to look pretty for our loved one, haven't we? Ooh, what a pretty pink hair bow it is. And some pink rosy cheeks to match. She's blushing, blushing with love. And a red heart, the colour of love. We're using wonderful colouring pens here with nice fine tips. Easy to get around those borders so that we don't go over anything we don't want to. Going around the hands and the arms, keeping within the heart border. That bright red colour really does stand out fantastically against the black, doesn't it? Very effective. Just going around the bottom edge and the feet. And then shading it in, line at a time. It's that easy, just like painting it on, but with a pen. And we're almost done with our gorgeous Valentine's panda bears holding a heart. Ah!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!